Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through click tracking inside of email campaigns. Click tracking is a feature that enables you to get really great insights on how your subscribers interact with the links that you've placed inside of your emails. You can see which specific links have been clicked on, you can see what subscriber clicked on what link, and you can see how many times a link has been clicked on. By default, the click tracking feature is turned off inside of the campaigns feature, so if you would like to utilize this feature, you'll have to go in manually and turn it on. Let me show you how all of that looks like. So first we want to click on settings on the bottom left, and then click on email services on the left. Then we want to click on dedicated domain and IP. Then click on the three dots, click on domain settings, and double check that this is turned on. The click tracking toggle has to be turned on, as well as the open tracking. Next up, let's send an email campaign. For this, let's click on marketing on the left, select emails and campaigns at the top. At this point, I would like to note that this click tracking only works for campaigns. It doesn't work inside the automation. So let's create a new campaign. Let's click plus new. Let's choose a template. Let's choose content marketing. That's just fine. Let's assume all of this content is great and we just want to send it out. Let's hit send or schedule top right corner. Then you can see all of the custom values have already been added. Under sender name and subject line is also in there already. Amazing. Let's choose a specific contact right here. Then here, let's turn on track clicks. This means we can learn which links were clicked, how many times each link was clicked, and who did the clicking. Now again, this comes in really handy to learn about how your content works, who engages with your content, and then take educated decisions based on data, really, where to adjust your content. So let's go back for a second actually, and let's make sure there is an actual link behind the button. So here we click on the button and we place a link. Let's just take Google and then let's go back to send or schedule. Yep, and our previous settings have been saved, the contact where we're going to send it to, and then also that we toggled on the track clicks. Perfect. Now let's hit send. Then the desktop will jump automatically back to the campaigns, and you can see here already the status is set to send. Now here we are inside of the email. Amazing. Let's just click on the link. So the link opens up inside of Google just the way we wanted it. Let's go back and check the stats. So get to your campaign, click the three dots on the right and click on statistics. Here you have an overview of all the email details, when it's been created, updated on, sent from. Recipients list is one contact is right, the subject line. So you can see it was one email in total, which has been processed and accepted. So let's click on load more statistics. And here you can see the summary as well as the click performance. If we scroll down, you can see the summary here. If you hover over that, it's very interactive as well. One delivered, one opened, and one clicked. Perfect. If you scroll down furthermore under details, you can see delivered, opened, clicked, and then you could go on and on until order, replied, hard bounce, and so on and so forth. But here you can exactly see who has clicked and who has not. So you can also go ahead and export this data into a CSV file by clicking this button. And please note, if you want to send a test email, the tracking won't work with a test email. So it's recommended that you send a dummy campaign as if it was a real email to get the correct tracking. Also, trigger links are excluded as well as magic links, syntax errors or typos, system-generated links such as the previews or maybe the unsubscribe link, and any URL that doesn't start with HTTPS. So any URL that is inside of your emails that does not have the beginning HTTPS is excluded from this tracking. Also, clicks on emails, if you have the mail to semicolon thing going on, that is also excluded from the tracking. And also please note, the campaign click tracking does not work for A/B testing as well as not for RSS campaigns. I hope you like this feature. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, and we'll see you in the next video.